Hello, hello, hello. Hello, everyone. Hope you're doing well. Let me turn on some music. So, let's look at the market right now. So today, let's talk about like Monday. So first of all, Monday it was like a couple trades. First trade was, hello, Enrica. So first trade was on Nasdaq. I want to show you, like we discussed it on the stream on the Sunday. As you remember, I said like we have like equal lows. Also, it's previous monthly low on Nasdaq, and I said it's gonna like test it. So I want to show you my exact trade and why I took it. It was aggressive entry, so I didn't wait for some time. So let's look at this. It was in London session. I set alert here, and I've been waiting for test of this previous monthly low. So usually when you see setup like this, so first of all, it's London session. You like never open trade in the London session, because for indexes you're waiting for New York session first of all, because usually we like take liquidity from a previous session, even like on index and on Forex market as well. Same can happen like on a crypto, by the way. Then I've been waiting for a New York session. As you can see, we have like New York session. We still didn't have like break of market structure, which is like here. Even on 5 minutes, like first break of market structure will be on this level. Then what I did, it was let's like like this, and we'll go on 5 minutes. So what I did here, so obviously we're gonna like get like some interest rate. This is what I've been waiting. So for like take liquidity from London session, and then I went in 1 minute, and on 1 minute you can see already like we have a setup. I just need for confirmation like with one candle, right? That's all. This was my confirmation, this huge candle, and it was 16:45. So it's already you can like enter the market, because feels like 10-15 minutes it's kind of rough, and better to wait for a bit. And I entered my position, and my stop was about like 35, if I'm not mistaken, with a target at like Asian high. So let's watch. Just like my trade from yesterday. That's all. As you can see, like played out perfectly. It's like grab liquidity. Also, it was like rate on the previous monthly low, and also like London session. But it was aggressive entry, so I could open position only with 0.25% risk, because we didn't have like all the criteria that matched. So as you can see, it was quite aggressive like trade, but 1 to 5 risk reward, so it was worth it. And after we went higher like this line, it was already break market structure. like market shift, and I just move my stop to entry. I have like a screenshot like with gate that I made, which is like almost like 1.2%. Now let's look at euro. Don't remember like if we had like trade. Yeah. On the euro, I didn't take any trades here because it wasn't always like set up here. Only on the euro, like you could have entered like position on Monday by playing this, but it was liquidity grab on the Frankfurt, so it's Asian Judas, right? Plus break of market structure. So on this test, you could have just enter position, but it just like break of market structure. That's all. Nothing like nothing more. Like, yeah, you could have just entered like aggressively here, but usually on London session I prefer to wait like some like manipulation on the London session and then we're going higher. So if I would have seen like if I would have seen this one on the London session with liquidity grab like from Asian session, like Asian low, if I saw this and then break a market structure, yeah, I would have entered this position like for sure, even like 0.5%. But it is what it is. Now, today was like one extra setup. Yeah, well, I also took like this setup. It was like this like candle. It calls stop in action. No, it's not stop in action. Fuck, I forgot how it calls like from vertical spread analysis. So it's like you have to go to the bars, and on the bars you can see that we have this candle that opens like higher than its closure and with a big volume, like volume bigger than like previous like high, like this one, you see. So on this it's like it calls like vertical spread analysis. So basically when we have like candle with a higher volume, like it's in this case bar, and we have yeah, like this like bar opening higher than its closure, so more likely you can just open like short position with this entry and stop above its high, and target will be first liquidity like this one. I got my trade like around here. It's like 1 to 1.5. It was like at the end of New York session, so that's why it wasn't so obvious. But it's like this is the vertical spread analysis. It's like a bit like different compared to like smart money, but at least it works in some cases, and this was enough confirmation for me to like open the trade. One more trades that I took today, it was like this one. Where is it? Yeah, this one. I send it to, let me see, so I don't need to tell, where is this? No, yeah, this one, yeah, this one. I literally called it. I entered like the position, not here. I entered a position after this candle. Let me show you. So it was like this again. It's like from vertical spread analysis, right? In vertical spread analysis, you basically analyzing bars and like volume. Here, if we go to like bars again, we can see like this is like our open, right? This is our closure. So if we go on the candles, what you can do is just open like set like limit order at this, like this, right? Basically on how it calls. Let me see this one. On the base, on the base, yeah, on the base of this candle. So you open like set like limit order on base candle. You see like stop kind of like small, like it's only 7 pips, and target will be like Asian liquidity. Also we grab liquidity high, like Asian high, so we can open like 4 short position. So this was my trade, and let's watch. So like I feel it like here because I'm entering like market, because I don't wait usually. Like yes, my risk reward will be like a bit like worse, like this 1 to 2, right? So we're gonna be like my trade 1 to 2. But in this case, my position will be field guarantee. So I already like I already have confirmation. This is aggressive trade, but I already have confirmation, so at least my trade will be filled. But let's look like what could have happened if I just like hold my trade a bit like longer. Just look at this. Like target could have been like this liquidity, to be honest. This one, that's all. So 94 pips, it's kind of a good trade, right? With like only one like risk, and I could have made almost like 2%, 2.2% on this trade if it just like held from the beginning. Yeah, it's like power of 3, but in this case, power of 3, it's like more, we have consolidation, we have manipulation, and then we have distribution. In this case, we don't have it. But what we have three drive pattern, which is this one and this one. So as you can see, like high after high after high, right? In this case, it could have been like confirmation. Like in this specific trade, we could have done it for sure. Okay, now let's look at the trade that I was planning to do. It was on like Nasdaq. By the way, like this pump on Nasdaq on New York session, you just could have predict because it was work with internal liquidity, and like you could just like open like any trade here. So one trade that you could have opened on Nasdaq and on a SPY and Dow. I literally like send it to like Pavel. I send it to like our Discord group, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see. Fuck, probably no, I didn't send it. Let me see. But I covered it on the stream, last stream. No, I didn't send it here. So let me show you. So as you can see, we have plenty of like liquidity here, right? It's like this red line. Let me like do the dash line. This is gonna be like our confirmation that we're gonna go lower. Where is the like trade right pattern most of the time didn't give a test, right? I will show you where it gave a test. It can give a test, like, but sometimes not, and you have to play aggressively. So my target, like, I could have like said like limit order here, which is like what I done, and my entry, my stop was around like this area. It was like 25, probably. Yeah, it was like 27, and my target was this imbalance. And let's watch. So we have plenty of liquidity. We took like previous daily high. It also liquidity, like all internal liquidity from previous sessions and previous daily high. We have a lot of internal liquidity, like for short, right? Like final target will be this fair value gap or like this imbalance. So it's like almost like 1 to 5 trade. Let's look. That's all. So in this case, I will have cut my trade right here because I have a rule like if I have like 1 to 2 trade, so at least my stop would have been here. It's like minimum, so I will move my stop right away. If I have like 1 to 2 trade, I already like move my stop. It's like doesn't matter, like I just thought I want to take my profit. 1 to 2, it's like always in all my trades. With like 50% win rate, I will be like at break even. If I have like higher win rate, I will get like good profit. So let's watch what happened next. As you can see, here I would have like cut my trade. So like 1 to 3, like 1 to 2.5, or like 1 to 3. Because when you see like this kind of candles, like you see like we going like lower, like we have like low after low after low, and in this case you just like cut in your trade because it's a bullish confirmation. Maybe like I'll cut 1 to 3, like basically 0.75% with like aggressive entry. Because we didn't have here like any confirmation except this fair value gap and this like internal liquidity. I also sent like some signals about like short position like from here, but you should understand I didn't open this trade because that's why I didn't alert. It was like extremely aggressive. Like you can think it's the same because we have fair value gap here, but the problem is we already worked with internal liquidity, so we already worked with this zone, and we worked with external liquidity, which is like this one, right? And now we worked with internal liquidity. So what the chances we go in like down again, like kinda like low. That's why I didn't send alert about this trade, and this is what happened. You see, and we're still going like higher. We might like go to this like fair value gap. I don't know. Let's look on the euro. What's happening on the euro right now? Like nothing happening on the euro, but as you can see, we have a lot of liquidity here, like this one, and we have this like liquidity pool, but we took like some internal liquidity like from this area, and also it's not optimal trading time to trade Forex market right now, so better to wait. Let's watch on indexes. 1 minute. For confirmation, I usually like watch on some major stocks, which is broke. Have market shift here, so it will like go something like this and further. And tomorrow we didn't have news, so this is not short setup right now. And Tesla can go like this and then pump, but again it's like 9 minutes left. Like you cannot short here right now. Let me explain why. You have like equal highs. You have like 1, 2, 3 highs. Yes, you have like equal lows here. Let me mark it. So I have like equal lows here, right? So we can just remove it. And are you sure like where we're going? Like I don't know like where we're going. In this case, like I don't know like direction. I don't know like where it go. Like on 1 minute, we still like. I want to see like market shift. Market shift will be here, right? Let me see. Market shift. Okay, so I have like a market shift. So it's like a 1 minute. Let me see, like 5 minutes. 5 minutes still, maybe like even here. No, we can count it. This one, 3 minutes. So until I see something like this, I wouldn't touch it. Behind the stop on euro, which one? Which stop exactly? Like from morning straight? If we're talking about like morning, yeah, I'll explain. By the way, like, let me see. I have just like trades on it, on accounts that I manage, so I have to like look at it. I'm currently up 0.6% so far. Due to the contract, I cannot show you like exactly numbers, but this is like what I'm currently on, like this, like 3 trades. It's 0.6%. It's like on accounts that I manage. Like this one, and this one. Total, no, on MD my entry like around here on like accounts, but in general it's something like this. 1 sec. So point widespread. Yo, hello Viz, hello. Okay. First of all, this example where we had confirmation, we had test, almost had test, right? You could have just entered here. Actually, like confirmation, like test was this one. Let me show you. So this is trade that I took, and I talked about it like a few times, right? So just open like trade here, like this, and stop above like this candle, this one, because if you break this candle, so if it closes like above, it's basically pointless to hold this trade. And target, like closest target, will be like this one, right? This swing, and you can look at this now. Yeah, this was confirmation. You see, like we enter this trade. That's all. As you can see, like it's very accurate. So about the euro trade that we took, let me see. I alerted about it. It was aggressive entry again. Yeah, I remember now. So it was aggressive entry. Yeah, let me mark it. As you can see, like I'm completely okay with I was like, let's just like, I don't care. I know like for sure I will lose every day. I can lose like every day, so it's like it doesn't matter for me. And just like you have to do like back tests, so you won't have mistakes like this anymore. So I marked this order block, right? Let's hide it. Too much information. I like saw this order block. Now we tested it, right? So I've been stuck in it. The idea behind this trade was we've been consolidating in this order block for like half an hour probably, and stop was only point like 10%. So ideally you have to wait for market shift, which is like this one, right? And this is what I've been waiting for. But then we discussed with Pavel, and he said it's like we'll go to like one big candle, and in this case you have like large stop like this, and it's like not valid to open. So as you can see, we've been consolidating for some time, right? We've been consolidating for some time. It's like, again, we didn't have market shift. Again, market shift would have been here. Even like if we go like 1 minute, and already been some like signs that we have like this liquidity level, right? It's not a trend line. Like I don't believe like trend line is good like for confirmation that you have like pool of liquidity and you can like trade it. Like in this case, like if we were talking about like classic analysis, like here, it's like classic TA. We have like it goes like triangle, right? Or like something like this. I don't remember English names for classic analysis. So as soon as we broke it, usually it does something like this. But again, stop under this order block, and it's like low a risk trade because it's only 0.25%. Like, again, this already block already been tested. This one, he been tested twice. It's like it's been tested twice, so that's all. We don't have like any. Oh, not bad. Let me see. Tesla. 1 second. I just need to check my positions. Fuck. Didn't move. Okay. Good. Like this one, a really nice trade. I want to show it to you. Jesus Christ. Okay, we're in the zone now. Fuck. And it happened like after hours. This is not good because I cannot like close my positions. But tomorrow we don't have news, so I don't mind to have it like this. Okay, let's go back to our test, right? Let's go back to our test. So right now, let's go. In this case, when you see something like this, so you have like about after this candle, you have to react fast to close the trade. But this is like where I close it basically on my account. But it's already been tested, so it's like small loss. I didn't mind because like for example yesterday I made 1.25% on like one single trade, so it doesn't matter. So my my idea was, and like our idea with Pavel was, we've been consolidating like in this order block for some time, it means like we like getting like so price consolidating in this area. If it's consolidating in this area, it might be good like start like to like pump. Ideally, what we're supposed to do, just like wait for pump, break of market structure, like market shift, right? Ideally with fair value gap, then going back to test this fair value gap and keep going up. And our enter position should have been like around here. We stop under this this like low. This should have been like our trade, and target this fair value gap like higher. This is what I've been talking about. Let's see. We pumped, we tested this fair value gap, and then we're going down. But this is not optimal trading time. Yeah, this is already like if we break with like imbalance like this, it's over. So here, for example, what could have done just on live on the stream. So we came to this area. It's we find the equilibrium of this fair value gap, which is this one, right? We could have opened like this trade like right now. We opened like trade here, short trade. Well, like again, it's a super aggressive without confirmation, and target would have been this market shift. Again, it's a super aggressive trade without confirmation and without market shift, like anything, just play out of zone. But as you can see, like played out perfectly, like quick, like 2-minute trade. But you don't trade like this because it's not optimal trading time, so you don't trade in optimal time. You can gamble like this, but it's gonna be like pure luck. For tomorrow, what to expect? I still want test of this like equal lows and this fair value gap, but I think what I think I want to see like how this will close. If it close, I'm gonna see it in 54 minutes. If it close like lower, I think you already like know what it means. If it's like stop in action, fuck, I forgot what it calls. It calls like stop in action and boss. No, fuck, I forgot like name of this. I forgot the name. Fuck. Let me ask Pavel. Maybe he remembers. Maybe he knows. So yeah, like if we close, let me also turn this off. Like this tail, like this one, is not great, so I don't like it. But if let's assume like we closed here, right? You can just open like short trade somewhere here. It's trash, but you can like move your stop on the 50% of this candle, which is gonna be like order block, right? And this is gonna be like trade for tomorrow, let's say. But probably like we will have like slow going down, or like what can happen, we will consolidate like for some time. So SOT, yeah, SOT. Yeah, it's good. It calls like SOT, like in vertical spread analysis. Candle like this that I showed you, like not candle, it's a bar. It goes like SOT. Yeah, it's just like it doesn't matter like how it goes. You just have to understand the idea behind it, right? So let's like look. It's not that great, but still, like you see, you have like this like tail like lower, this one. It's like not that great, but it's already not optimal trading time. And just like don't look at market. So what can happen? We can keep going like higher, like this. Like tomorrow can be like choppy day, it doesn't matter. And on Thursday, no, yeah, Thursday, we will nuke. But again, like vertical spread analysis, like we use it for the crypto market. Let's see like what happened on crypto, right? Because Bitcoin like pumped like 50% within like 2 days, so without like any major news. So What we want from BTC, not for what we expect, what we want from BTC. We want from BTC consolidate in this area for some time, for like between like 32k and 37k, and don't take this high as much as it can. It can go like this, then go back and go like and stuck like this in this range, right? Let me explain like why. Because if BTC stocks will be like stuck in this area for like some time, for some time, it means alts, like all alts such as like Link, VIP, Badger, all those kinds, all like alts basically will start pumping because liquidity from BTC will go into this alts. But if I see something like this, let me draw it like more accurate. If I see something like this, I will cut all my trades and will short it because it's gonna be like a double top, or maybe like they will draw like one more high, something like this, right? We will see something like this. Like this. If I see this, I will cut all my trades. Even like we will take like liquidity from this area. It will be internal liquidity. I already have like 3 dive pattern in like monthly imbalance. So this is a short imbalance, right? This is like short like imbalance, and we came into it. Monthly one. And the weekly, you can see it like better. Weekly like imbalance, and we filled it, and we still have plenty of liquidity here. People that saying like we're going to like 40k to 40k, it's like here, so have to break this like daily order block. But again, it doesn't matter. If it will go like higher, it will go higher, it doesn't matter. But still, I don't think like we will go till like 60k like or so. If we go just 40k, it's good because I have like some bag that I like holding and that I bought on the lows around like 18k. I still like have some coins that I'm holding, so okay, I don't care. I will just like sell my crypto, and I will be like longing like some shit coins. For example, like FET. This is like, by the way, like was good trade. It's like we'll keep going up. What else? FTM. Yeah, this is like one coin that you wanna long for sure. This one. Until like this, 180%. Feel. Feel, right? So with the target somewhere here, so at least this coin that, and we just have like good volume here. You see like a lot of volume on this like daily, like, and we didn't move an inch. Velocity at least like to like 1 cent. can go like even higher, but first target will be this one. Side like cyber. We just had deviation on a daily. This one. So like next target will be this. Will be the like deviation from here. So wanted to trade on the cyber. Like this one. What else? We're currently up on Ton. The Ton it's like more project about like Telegram. So it's a really good project, and we just broke structure on like a daily, so it's like uptrend right now. You just have to wait, and the first target will be like one, almost like two, almost, basically like final target like 3, this one. So this is gonna be like our final target. So if you want like safe plays, this is the one. Like VIP, but it's most like sketchy trade. TRB, I have no idea like what the fuck is going on here. Probably we will go to all-time high. Let me see. What like about like volume? Yeah, but this was a sign. You just missed it. See like volume going up, and we're going down, and volume going down. It's a sign that like it will pump, and we still didn't break the this bar. We could have just opened this is straight. This one. I can show you. Target like will be this high. Long trade. Stop like under this bar, like 12%, and target like this high. 1 to 5 trade, and we just missed it. Yeah, like 2 days. It's like too many like coins like to track. Like when you like tracking indexes, when you tracking like commodities such as gold. By the way, like guys, if you wanna wait for gold, this is like great opportunity for you. This is like right now we're in range, we had deviation, and right now we're in the middle. Yeah. So I would wait like to take the this previous very high and test this like higher water gap, and then we will nuke probably. So I want to see something like this. Also we're tracking like some this kind of stuff, and we're also managing about like 10 accounts on the stock market. We also like tracking this like shares, these companies. As you can understand, like when you're like tracking all this kind of stuff, it's not that hard to miss like such trades. But you can learn from us and see like what the vertical spread analysis is. Right. So yeah, this was obvious on a daily. So right now, like what you can open, it's Ocean. By the way, like want to trade an Ocean. Let's see. Let's do some back tests on it. Let's like open daily on the Ocean. Fuck. Come on. What the fuck is this? Yeah, we have like this huge trend line from the high to, yeah, this one. As you can see, we have like volume on the last candle, but we didn't move. Let me move to bars. because you see we have like huge volume here, but we didn't move and we didn't take liquidity. So we just like, for example, remember I told you like about like this SOT, right? This like bar, but we didn't take liquidity with this bar, so it's like pointless. So we would have been like here, for example, like huge like candle, right? That I showed you on the euro. Then yes, we can manage it. So actually, like we have this like liquidity, right? We have it, but we have more liquidity like on top of it, and we break it with the volume, which is like extremely bullish. So what we can do, just open long position, stop would be even here. Let's go on like 4 hours. Like this. Let's me mark it. To market so high. February 7. High February 7. Because like if we break this low, this one, right? I doubt like we will go like higher. So this is like the trade that you can like open like right now. We'll probably like even like open it. Probably that's all. Like if you have any questions, like feel free to ask. Also, don't forget to subscribe, hit a notification button, and also join our Discord group. It's like a huge Discord group that we're posting like trades. Where is this? What the fuck? Yeah. So when we're like posting out the trades, we'll also like we'll do streams like this, like 1 or 2 times a week, so you can see like how we work and how we like find trades. So yeah, if you like this kind of stream, just let me know, like in the comments below or in our Discord group. So because like it does it worse spending like my time on this kind of stuff or not? So just give me some feedback, guys, and thank you for watching, and see ya.